Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Instagram comment filters, moderation settings guide step by step clearly. To enable Instagram comment filters, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Log into your Instagram account if you are not already logged in. Navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the menu. From the menu, select Settings near the bottom of the list. Once in Settings, tap on Privacy to access your privacy settings. Scroll down until you find the Comments option and tap on it. Here, you will see various comment moderation settings. To enable comment filters, look for the Hide Offensive Comments toggle. Switch this toggle to the right to activate the feature. You can also customize specific words that you want to be filtered out. To add custom words, tap on Manual Filter. Enter the words or phrases you want to filter, separating them with commas. After adding your desired filters, be sure to tap Save to apply your changes. You can also choose to allow comments only from people you follow or from your followers. Simply toggle the appropriate options under the Who Can Comment section. Once you have adjusted your settings, exit the menu to return to your profile. Your comment filters are now set, and you will notice improved moderation on your posts. Review your comment settings regularly to adjust as needed and maintain a positive environment on your profile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.